Larger project segments are with government projects. We are doing a lot of projects in Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal also. So their issues are of approval. It has to be in the make list and all. So often in our projects we certainly put them, but in a lot of projects, meaning since due to lack of awareness and all. But now the type of innovations that are coming up in Simpolo is being recognized in all larger government projects also.
It's lovely to see such a varied collection of such lovely tiles all under one roof. We have a whole lot of series and collections to choose from, whether it's interiors or exteriors, a lot of color range, a lot of textures, a lot of highlighters. So it's actually a visual delight for an interior and a person who's looking for new innovative material to change the entire scheme of things in your projects.
Now every day if you see, the interior industry is taking a huge leap, and it's not a stereotype kind of thing. Like earlier we had a very stereotype kind of interior design, but now people are traveling all around. In fact, your clients are traveling all around. So they have a specific taste. They have a very diversified kind of thing.
बट यहाँ इस शोरूम में आने के बाद बहुत सारे अलग अलग इंट्रोडक्शन देखने को मिला। बहुत सारे छोटे टाइल्स होते थे, उसे मल्टी कलर हम लोग टाइल्स फिल कर देते थे और बाथरूम छोटे हो जाते थे। बट यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कैटलॉग है जो एक ही कलर के 4 ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं।
People in Ranchi are very much willing to take up something new, something very different. They want to compete with other metropolitan cities as well. It's not that renowned, it's not that big as a city right now, but people here are great in spending. The premium segment is what I think is very upcoming in Ranchi, and we would love to see more products of such thing.
People are much more aware and very much educated regarding the spaces. So it is getting tougher for us each and every day, but at the very same time it is getting exciting for us as well, because we are facing the challenges every day, and in a way it is helping the industry to evolve.
I really like the collection here by Simpolo, especially the Spectra collection. Colors and the texture of the materials are really very soothing to the environment, and the courtyard collection is really nice. And the innovation in similar type of tiles and sizes and finishes and textures is really amazing.
रांची में लोग अब डिफरेंट मटेरियल एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए रेडी हो रहे हैं, ट्रायल्स लेते हैं। अदरवाइज वो फिक्स चलता था मार्बल मींस मार्बल, ग्रेनाइट तो ग्रेनाइट ही वो लोग लेते थे। आजकल जैसे कलर बॉडी है या हम लोग की फुल बॉडी टाइल्स हैं, तो वो लोग अब एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए रेडी हैं। टाइल्स आर इन डिमांड दीज डेज बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स प्राइसिंग and durability and maintenance.
That time when people used to visit, we also with our clients, we are visiting the places and then we are getting the selections done with them and everything. Plus the ones that we are selecting may be out of stock. So that kind of difference was there earlier. But now we have more options, better displays and everything. So in every way it is helpful for all of us. Now we can just send our clients, they just go, they'll take care of you, tell them what all we want and everything.
The place where I am sitting, at least this is the best place till now in Ranchi, what I feel. You have a live display over here and the things which you can feel, which you can touch, that is missing in the catalogs and all. And the time of the architect is also saved. Like suppose every time the client comes, we just show them the catalogs and all. So we can give them an address in Ranchi.
हम लोगों ने सिम्पोलो का काम कोरोना के ठीक पहले छोटी सी जगह से ही चालू किया था और थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हम लोग सिम्पोलो का काम काफ़ी बढ़ाते चले गए। और अभी हम लोगों ने 6 महीने पहले नोटिस किया कि इन्होंने जितनी बड़ी रेंज है, जितना इनका कंज्यूमर डिमांड है या जितना आर्किटेक्ट इंटीरियर पसंद करते हैं, उसके हिसाब से इसकी पूरी गैलरी होने से, पूरा फ्लैगशिप स्टोर होने से ही इनका जस्टिफिकेशन निकलेगा, कंपनी का भी और हम लोग का भी। तो हम लोगों ने जब अभी ये दोनों फ्लोर एक्सपेंड किए तो उसमें सिम्पोलो को पूरा फ्लैगशिप स्टोर बना के दी और सिम्पोलो से पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस भी बहुत अच्छा रहा है। उनकी पूरी टीम, भरत भाई खुद आए, वो कितना अच्छा लगा। पूरे शोरूम में हर जगह सिम्पोलो की चर्चा है, उससे हम लोग को भी और कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टअप मिलता है।
Today is the day I tell you that this dream comes true. This is the first gallery in Eastern India which we conceptualized a year back and then started working on this. Marketing team, our sales team, everybody worked hard on that, and we really appreciate the way Tulsian Distributor, prominent dealer of ours in Jharkhand, have taken the challenge and they have given 2,000 square feet area. In third floor, we called all the prominent architect and interiors of Jharkhand here. They never expected Simpolo has this kind of product which we have displayed out here. All our new ranges, Impato series and Spectra series, and definitely Courtyard. It's little old, but still for them it was a new product. After this display, I am confident enough that whatever premium projects are coming, they will definitely place orders for their extreme projects. And 2 and 3 of interiors, they have already placed their order yesterday.